The 2018 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, power liftgate, keyless entry, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, lane departure warning, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.